Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. So in this video, I will show you how easy it is to earn $54 per hour by just viewing videos. This is one of the most straightforward methods of earning money online. What is the best way to go about it? This is something we are going to look at in today's video. And the good thing about this method is that the income it generates is all passive income. Imagine waking up in the morning, checking on your phone, and seeing that you have just earned money while sleeping. It's a fantastic feeling. It sounds like someone is daydreaming, since most of us are not used to the idea of passive income. And I wouldn't blame you if you didn't believe me when I told you that you could make a huge amount of money with little to no work. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a number of applications that will pay you a respectable amount of money for doing things you already do on a regular basis, such as viewing YouTube videos, which you probably do anyhow. This is absolutely, completely free. There is no need for any investment, no social media following or interactions, no affiliate marketing, and no selling involved in any way. The greatest thing about this is that it is accessible from anywhere in the globe, which means that anybody may use these tactics to generate money in the same way that I use them. With that stated, let us jump right into it. We are going to start the party with the very first application on this list, Instagc.com. This website is the top app on my list in terms of its usability, so if you are new to online earning and making money, this app will be the right fit for you. But before we get into the details and the nitty-gritties of how to make money with this app, we should note that Instagc has made it evidently clear on their Facebook page that they are quite honest when it comes to their PayPal payouts. You can go over to their Facebook page and check their payout credibility for yourself, just so you're sure that this is not any kind of scam. And don't worry if you don't have a PayPal account, you can still be paid with gift cards or by direct deposit if you like. So nothing is really holding you back here. This software, by the way, is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones, so you won't have to go through any hassles to get this software. Anyways, returning to the app, you will get compensated for activities that you currently engage in online, such as completing surveys, viewing videos, purchasing online, and browsing the web, among other things. One option, though, that I encourage is viewing YouTube videos. You can find the option for it right there on the app. Why am I recommending you to watch videos on YouTube instead of, let's say, completing surveys? Well, that's just because it is the one method that pays the best. You might not catch this instantly since the rates for most jobs are quite similar on the app, but simply opening a large number of videos playing them all at the same time will allow you to make a substantially larger amount of money than you could otherwise, by having to play and watch through each video separately from this category. And here's another amazing trick for you all moneymakers out there. While viewing such videos, you may even participate in surveys at the same time. You will be able to optimize your earning potential in this manner. Simply fill out the form on this page in order to get started. It is also possible to earn free points by either linking your social networking accounts, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Google, or by manually filling out the needed information on the website. Appkarma.io is the second app on our list, and it's the one we'll be talking about next. This is a terrific program that enables you to earn money just by downloading and using it, and it is completely free and does not need for any further investment. It's sometimes hard to believe that this application is entirely free and that it is perfect for us. It is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones. The greatest thing is that just by downloading and using this app, you will be eligible to win bonus points worth a few dollars right now. By signing in and installing this app, you are essentially making a donation to a good cause. Another way to earn money with this app is via its referral program, which is available to everyone who signs up. When someone you suggest earns a particular amount, you will get a percentage of their earnings as compensation. To be honest, It's merely a means for you to earn money while you sleep. Instead of working for money, you'll be lounging around waiting for them to make money for you while others do the labor. The best part about this program is that it enables you to earn money just by signing onto your account on a daily basis. As previously said, this software pays you for doing nothing more than signing in and performing chores. Completing particular Appkarma chores will also help you advance in the game and collect badges, which will convert into a better reward level. So, all you have to do now is get these badges in order to increase your earnings potential with this app. Cashkik.com is the third application to be discussed in today's video. You will be paid in actual, hard cash by this app on PayPal or bank transfer. Cashkik offers the same features as Instagc, with the difference that you will get a higher payout. As you can see on the UI, they provide services that are identical to those offered by Instagc. So, you may utilize it in the same manner that we did with the previous program. In order to maximize your earning potential, you should devote more time to viewing videos so that you may concurrently answer as many surveys as possible while watching videos in the background. In order to join up, just provide the necessary information, like your email and phone number and your PayPal account email, so that you may get started on your new account and start earning money right away. Oh, and if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to click the bell to get up-to-date notifications. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? So we'll go on to the fourth app on today's list of best money-making applications, which is superpay.me. This is perfectly secure and dependable method of communication. Consequently, you will get your profits within a single day of submitting your request. Oh, and another amazing thing about this particular app is that the minimum cash out amount is much lower than the industry standard. By the way, when you sign up for this app, you will be eligible for a welcome bonus, which is just incredible. As you can see on this screen here, they have distributed a substantial amount of money to individuals all throughout the globe as of today. The principle of this software is quite easy. All you have to do is react to questionnaires. One of the things I like about this app is that they are extremely upfront and clear about how they calculate their rewards. As you can see, this app has generated a lot of money all across the globe. Simply clicking on the Register or Sign Up button here will register you with this app and supply them all the information they want in order to have your money-making account up and running immediately. The fifth app on our list, SmartApp.io, is now accessible for download on any computing device or mobile phone, as it is available on both Android and iOS. Earn money just by signing into this app on your phone. It is literally that simple. As you can see, there have been a number of reviews and evaluations written regarding the way this program operates, and they have all been good. Signing up for a free account and completing a survey are both required steps in order to participate in the SmartApp study project. After that, all you have to do is download the app and begin earning money. Simply by joining up and signing into this app on a daily basis, you may qualify for free incentives and cash rewards. To begin, just click on the sign up button right here. Answer a few general questions, like providing your legal name and email, and provide a few pieces of personal data to create a new source of income for yourself. And that's all. Overall, these are excellent chances for you to take advantage of if you want to make money online. I mean, they are really easy tools and platforms that anybody can use and learn quickly. These duties will not need the use of any specialized knowledge or abilities. All that is required of you is to watch videos, complete surveys, and check in every day. These applications are assured to provide a good amount of revenue. Nevertheless, you must be constant in your efforts. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.